Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices, and today we have, it's official. Harbor Freight can always change it, but it's official. We're going to go over the weekend deal, and I have the official coupons. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. It helps the channel a lot, and I appreciate all the HARBROs helping the channel grow. I think we just got to 21,000 subscribers, which is nuts, and I do plan to be opening a website soon. But anyways, let's jump in. First reminder, 50% off all tarps today. You might still have a chance. West Coast HARBROs, 50% off all extreme duty tarps. East Coast HARBROs and Midwest and Mideast. That doesn't make sense. Midwest and East Coast HARBROs. Did you guys pick up? And West Coast HARBROs. Did you guys pick up some tarps? Which ones did you pick up? 50% off is nuts. And then of course also who was able to get their seat. A lot of the feedback I saw is this seat is sold out almost everywhere. I think I saw one or a couple of people say they got this. A little bit more success on the steamer and definitely a lot of success on the towels, but let me know what you got. And then of course tomorrow, Badland Apex, 12,000 pound winch with wireless remote, $400, $180 off. And this one is different from the 12,000 pound ZXR, so just FYI. And then 30% also tomorrow off of all Hallmaster tie downs and elastic ropes. That being said, let's get into it. Here we go, 30%, and we'll zoom in here. 30% off all items, $10 and under. Super coupon, all items $10 and under. Limit 5, very important. Limit 5, valid in store while supplies last. Valid 12/26 through 12/28, and those dates are going to be very important. Keep in mind, 12/26 through 12/28, that's starting Friday, the day after Christmas, cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. That's pretty standard jargon. Excludes ITC memberships, extended service plans, open box items, and gift cards. Coupon required for non-members. ITC members receive discount at register. Other restrictions may apply. So that's the 30% off for everybody, super coupon. And then, of course, 30% off all items $20 and under. For ITC, limit 5, same thing, 26th to the 28th. While supplies last, no coupon required, discount applied at the register, cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases, no cash value, non-transferable, excludes ITC membership, extended service plan, open box items, gift cards. Other restrictions may apply. Now, one thing to note, 12 months ago, these deals, these 30% off of $20 and under, limit 5 used to be, at least from my understanding, was per SKU. So as long as you weren't buying 5 of the exact same SKU, or that was the limit, you could technically get as much as you'd like. But what I've seen in the comments from the HARBROs is that this limit is turning into a 5 item limit. So let me know how that goes for you. You still have the weekend to plan, but of course, the thing you could do is visit a separate Harbor Freight, which I'm sure they don't mind the sales. Or if you're friendly with the cashier, friendly with the store manager, they tend to let you do multiple transactions. So be friendly to your cashier, PSA, but also double check your receipts. But limit 5. Now, the reason I say take note of the date, December 26th through 28th, because, and again, this isn't always 100%. Some of the stores run, I don't want to say a tighter ship, but in the past, we are able to stack with instant savings, which right now are considered the Christmas savings. And we're going to sort this from high to low. But these Christmas savings clearly are going through December 26th. And we had mentioned this in one of the previous videos that there's going to be this Goldilocks zone on Friday the 26th, the day after Christmas, where we'll have the one sale up. Hopefully we'll have the new instant savings by then. If it comes out, I'll let you know what it is. But we only have this current instant savings to work with. And so that's what we're going to do. So we'll sort it from high to low. Some decent deals here, but we're going to go look at items that are $20 and under. This is where we're going to start. Starting with the Pittsburgh 4-ton hydraulic bottle jack. Already 28% off, normally $28. Should be able to get this down an extra 30%. So you'd save an extra $6. Get this down to $14. A very nice Merlin premium air compressor accessory kit, 20 piece. Same thing, already down 13%. I think most of the HARBROs like Merlin. I really like Merlin. Premium air compressor Accessory kit, 20 piece, 20 bucks. Get that down to $14 as well. Save $6. And we'll look at a couple more here. Jupiter, 120 watt continuous 240 watt peak modified sine wave power inverter. It's 32% off right now with the Merry Christmas deal. 32% off, down from 25 bucks down to $17. But then if you're able to use the 30% off anything under $20, get this down. This one I cannot math. It's gonna be just under $6 of savings. Get it down to $11.90. So just under $12. So save basically 50% from the original price for this Jupiter modified sine wave power inverter. Nuts. And then for the tarp bros, camo 11 foot by 15 foot camouflage all purpose weather resistant 5 mil tarp, already 25% off. Normal price is 20 bucks down to $15, and then get it down to $10.50. So again, almost 50% savings on this camo tarp. Again, this is going to be like a 1 day flash day sale because these are only going through the 26th, and hopefully Harbor Freight will release the next instant savings on the 27th and the 28th, and we're going to have like a double flash sale weekend, which is absolutely killer for these types of deals. Excuse my excitement. We have Bauer multi-material oscillating multi-tool blade 4-piece set, 13 bucks, save 31% already. That'll be a steep discount. These we already touched on. These were better. These will be better during Tuesdays. Oh, actually, they'll be exactly the same. I'm saying better. They'll be exactly the same. So you can get this either tomorrow. It's also 30% off of these. So your choice of when you want to get them. More Merlin hose, already 25% off. Some Hallmaster wheel chocks. The Merlin dual head air chuck inflator with dial gauge. If you don't have one of these are super clutch when you're inflating your tires. At $12, already 20% off. But at 12 bucks, get it down to $8.40. Clutch pickup. Some US General slot wrench organizer. I don't think these were on sale, but they're already down 23%. Get them down another $3. Get them for $7. And then Armstrong swivel tilt TV mount. Save an extra $3, $7. Vulcan Defender gloves. Save an extra $3. The ratcheting straps, again, your choice of when to take the deal. And then, even Grant's is on here. This is for today. Hopefully you checked your receipts, and I'm pretty sure I saw some comments saying they stacked $8 for the Ultra Plush edgeless microfiber towels 12 pack. This was like one of the must get deals because you're getting them down to $4. That's nuts. If not, get it down to $7. Sorry, get it down to $8. Get it down to $5.60. So still not a bad deal if you missed the Grant's sale today. And then the deals go on from there. Pittsburgh Pro 3/8-inch high drive high vis socket set, $7, already 36% off. Get it down to $4.90, so 50% off. Nuts on some nuts of a deal. And let's just check the warranty on these. Lifetime warranty, $5, 3/8-inch drive metric high vis socket. Crazy. And then of course some batteries. These have been 50% off, but with this extra 30%, are they going to be more than 50% off? Let's check. Thunderbolt Magnum down to $6. Save already 25%, and at $6, getting down to $4.20. So close to 50%. Not exactly, a little bit less, but still pretty good. And we'll peruse page 2 just for fun. We saw some of these Hallmaster D-ring strap, $3 stripper, which is a deal if you ask me, and just a few more. So that's a great place to start is, definitely do the 79-cent bag. Get it down to 55 cents. Crazy. So we start there. Instant savings. That's going to be 1 day only, December 26th, because this will end the 26th, but we should get new ones the 27th. We will also look at new tools because new tools tend to not be discounted as frequently as other tools. And here we are at the 20%. Of course, this one tends to be in this range of deals. The Pittsburgh 10-inch adjustable demolition pry bar wrench at $20. It literally does it all. Save $6. You'll have a chance to get The mini toolboxes again at discount. They are now $17. I believe all of them are $17. Doesn't matter which color. Get them down to $11. Almost basically 12 bucks, a little bit less than 12 bucks if you still don't have toolboxes or you haven't gotten your toolbox mini toolbox fix. Not a bad time to get. 12 bucks is really, really good. We have the Doyle electrician shears at 15 bucks. Get it down to $10.50. Hardy gloves I won't say because I feel like there's 50% off Hardy gloves happened at least 2 or 3 times last year. This was pretty popular for a minute when it first came out. The Daytona magnetic universal jack pad pinch weld adapter. See it in use here. And that's $13. Get that down to $9.10. So if you haven't picked that up, get it for a 30% discount, which is huge. The Doyle 14-in-1 precision screwdriver nut driver, good to have in your drawer. 12 bucks compared to Klein. Get that down to $8.40. So huge pickup there. And then these two cool guys for your free bucket that you just, for your 10 buckets that you just got. We have the 5-gallon bucket tool bag at $10. Don't need to do the math. Get it down to $7 after 30%. And then of course the Icon professional 10mm socket set, 4-piece, all 10mm. What is there not to love? At $10, you're going to get it for $7. So good discount there. And we'll peruse a few more here, see if there's anything worth getting. The Hercules Phillips insert bits 5-pack at $4. Save $1.20, get it for $2.80. And those are the new tools. Always great items to get. And then also some consumables to go along with your new detailing supplies that you just got. We'll sort this from high to low. And some of these are pretty pricey from Meguiar's, so we're going to skip those. We're going to go down to the $20. So starting with Meguiar's 26-ounce hybrid ceramic wax. This is $19. Delivers cutting-edge SiO2 technology and a user-friendly spray-on. Save almost $6 here. Get that down to $503. Just kidding. Get down to $13.30. So huge pickup to go with your detailing kit. The 16-ounce mirror glaze show car glaze, $18. The Meguiar's 16-ounce mirror glaze high-tech yellow wax, $17 will qualify. Let's see, $18 getting it down to $12.60, and then $17 getting it down to $11.90. They have a few more here. The 26-ounce hybrid ceramic detailer, $16. Get it down to $11.20. Meguiar's ultimate wash and wax. So this is probably really one to pick up if you're washing your own cars at $15. Get it down to $10.50. Ultimate compound 15-ounce container at $14. Get it down to $9.80. So definitely $3, $4, $5 savings here. I think I have this one, the Meguiar's 64-ounce shampoo and conditioner. I use that when I'm getting ready in the morning. Leaves my hair nice and glossy. $14. 30% off, getting it down to $9.80. So again, these will go great with your new detailing towels and seat and steamers that you just got. The 12-ounce Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer, definitely pick that up. Ultimate All Wheel Cleaner, Gold Glass Rich Leather 3-in-1 Spray, Supreme Shine High Gloss Protectant. And there is quite a few here to go. So just know you can go for Meguiar's, one of the consumables, get 30% off. And then of course it feels like Icon is priced out, but there's a few Icon items that are less than $20 and less, $20 and under that you can get 30% off on. Icon Mini Soft Grip Pick and Hook Set, save $6. The 8-inch needle nose pliers, save $6, get them for $14. 8-inch hose grip pliers, must need. 3/8-inch drive professional torque bits, also save $6. And these are all, as long as they're close to $19, you'll save about $6. The 12-inch S-Jaw quick adjust pliers, $14. Icon's 9-inch adjustable joint channel pliers, $14. The 16-ounce soft blow dead blow hammer for $14. That's a great deal. 10-inch half-inch drive collar impact extension bar, $20, save $6. Icon's professional socket adapter set, $17, save. Get it down to just under $12. A couple of screwdriver sets, the mini screwdriver set and the mini torque screwdriver set, 4 pieces, both at $15. Get them down to $10.50. course, the scrapers, and we did touch base already on the Icon professional 10mm socket set. And then, of course, one that I highly recommend, the Quinn precision screwdriver set, 12-piece, $15 compared to Wera. And at $15, it'll be the same here. You save 30%, get it down to $10.50. So incredible deal if you haven't picked up this screwdriver set yet. Something super handy, super great to have. And I think that's what I have. Those are my recommendations. Consumables, of course. Definitely look through the instant savings and check out some of the new tools. Hopefully you got your tarp bros. Hopefully you got your Grant's detailing product kits. Tomorrow's the 12,000-pound winch, and then 30% off all tie downs and elastic straps. And then, of course, this weekend, 30% off all items, $10 and under for everybody, 30% off all items, $20 and under for ITC. And again, we'll leave it at that. Happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Please consider liking and subscribing. Let me know what you're going to get, what you're going to plan out. Merry Christmas if I haven't said it. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.